Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at the YEARN Finance or YFI, currently ranked at 144 with a market cap of about $298 million, right? We have a 24-hour volume of about $117 million. And today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis, and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video right here. So for YFI, as you can see, we are down about 1.9% right here for YFI on the day. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we're on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the 4-hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source, right? And for some of you that are new to the channel, right, we have a system on this channel. We said prices always move from level to level, level to level, level to level, because most or every single instrument, right, on the price, or every single asset in crypto respects, right, their levels, right? And so prices always move from level to level. That was how we were able to avert this crash, right? I said that at this level, do not FOMO except we see a 4-hourly candle close. We did not see that 4-hourly candle close, and we pushed back down first, as you can see, into this $12,000 level. We lost this level, and as you can see, we pushed right back down straight and lost the $10,000 level, and currently we are currently at the $8,000 level, right? So what is next right here for YFI? So basically, as you can see, we are basically seeing this sort of sideways price action. We could just see some little dump right there into the 200 EMA and see that pump right back up, right? This was just to wash out a lot of longs who were longing, taking crazy longs right there on YFI. And as you can see, this was just like a washout, right? We saw that huge washout to the downside, right? And currently we are about to see that slow grind back down to the upside, right? So YFI is still bullish, like we always said, still holding the 200 EMA. We were buying YFI on the channel with us, right? If you have been with us, we're buying around the $5,000 range, right? We were saying we were expecting higher price target. Our price target right here for November was the $12,000 level. We have exceeded that level and are currently at the $15,000, or went as high as the $15,000 level. We saw this huge washout, and currently, as you can see, we are basically just seeing this sort of sideways price action, right? And so this is the primary scenario. We're expecting a retest of this 200 EMA, right? And then we see that push to the upside, right? So YFI still remains bullish. We are still bullish on YFI, and we are still expecting higher price targets, right? Even to the upside, right? So these are primary scenario, a bullish push. And so if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.